Hey, pause for a second. You know that quiet moment when you realize you're done tolerating lag, noise, and excuses? That's where this starts, with the Alienware Aurora. This is for the kind of person who notices micro stutters, who feels irritation before others even see it, who already knows when gear is holding them back. You're not chasing specs anymore. You're chasing confidence. Before anything else, take a quick look at the current price and stock. Systems like this don't sit still for long, and you already know how annoying it feels when availability changes overnight. There's a moment you'll recognize instantly. You launch a game or a heavy project and you expect the usual delay, the fan ramp up, the little compromises you've learned to accept. And then, it doesn't happen. That's when you know it was time to upgrade. Once you move on from older, struggling hardware, there's a weird sense of relief. No more mental math about settings. No more planning your sessions around limitations. You just sit down and everything responds the way it should. You feel it during long gaming nights where frames stay smooth and the system stays composed. You feel it while editing, scrubbing timelines without hesitation. You feel it binge watching after work, knowing your machine has headroom to spare instead of running on the edge. Even everyday tasks feel calmer, cleaner, faster. This isn't about raw numbers. It's about how stable everything feels under pressure. The system doesn't flinch. It doesn't beg for compromises. It just keeps up with you. Check availability again if you need to. Don't wait for stock swings or those weird price jumps that always seem to happen right after you decide. If you're hesitating, it's probably because you're thinking it might be too much. That doubt usually comes from years of settling. Here, that extra margin becomes breathing room, longevity, and peace of mind. The surprise benefit hits later. You stop thinking about your computer entirely. It fades into the background because it finally does its job without demanding attention. You carry a quiet pride owning something built this deliberately. You feel different knowing your setup matches your standards, not your patience level. Feels instantly responsive every day, stays composed under real pressure, makes long sessions feel effortless, turns frustration into confidence. A system you trust completely. Air cooling isn't whisper silent. Premium design costs more upfront. At some point, you stop comparing charts and just choose the machine you already wanted. The one you keep coming back to every time another option almost convinces you. Don't turn this into another upgrade you delay and rethink months later. If it fits where you're headed, you already know the move. Check the price, lock it in, and move forward.